Okay, so I just woke up, means no, I woke up around 10 itself, and I was like not getting out of my bed. So it's around 11:40, and I was going to take my bath, but then I got to know that I didn't did any photo shoot, like photo shoot with this blue background yesterday. So I was like, let me do a photo shoot. So I'm going to do a photo shoot. I'm just going to apply a little bit of lipstick that to eat. Breakfast, it's 12. Okay, it's 12. And this is another watch. This is not the watch that I was showed in the favorites video. This is another one. So I'm going to take my breakfast. I'm going to eat my breakfast, and then I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog a little bit so that I have some storage left in my phone. Otherwise, it's gonna fill with storage. And I'll try to upload a video on YouTube also. So I'll say what happened next. There's this one thing that I want to share for you all, with you all, for you all. That is, yesterday I didn't slept. I don't know. I was not sleepy. So I watched Frozen. Around, it's like in pre-climax. So I'm about to watch the continuation of it, Frozen 2. Yes, we are for Frozen 2 right now. We completed watching Frozen. It's amazing. I never thought that I'll be happy with the cartoon characters, like, enjoying them and all after so many ages, because it's a long gap. I'm not a person who used to use cartoons even when I'm a kid too much. I'm always those kitchen games girl and all. So it's good. So chalo, let's watch. I finished watching Frozen 2 also. So what is left is editing vlog. I didn't edit a vlog till now. Yesterday's one, I shooted one YouTube video, one brand video also. So I should do that. I should literally start editing in any of my work that I have did yesterday. And then I'll remove my nail paint, because look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So I'll start editing the one that I've filmed for brand. So because that's a chota one, so that at the film cheste, at the edit cheste కొద్దిగైనా వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది కదా అనిపించింది. సో యా, I'm gonna edit that. సో అది నేను ఫోన్లోనే ఎడిట్ చేస్తాను కాబట్టి నేను మీకు చూపించడానికి ఉండదు. యా, సో I will edit that, and మిగతా ఫైల్స్ని నేను ల్యాప్టాప్లోకి ఇప్పుడు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాను. That I'll show for you. I told you that I might upload a YouTube video, but actually what I'm thinking is I will edit all the videos that I will be shooting in this around a week and all. Then I'll edit them all and I'll upload them all at a time, like scheduling them. I feel that is more easier than uploading one video one time. So I'll be shooting all the week and I'll upload them very soon. So yes guys, I told you that I don't schedule videos, I'll schedule all at a time. Then I thought it will be a burden, so I was like, let me upload. So I scheduled a video for tomorrow, 21st March at 12:30 noon IST. And so tomorrow you're going to see a makeup look, like you might see that before only when this video is gonna up. So yeah, I'm so happy. I thought the net won't be sufficient. The data, but it is sufficient. It's around 10-minute video. I'm loving that. I'm loving the top. I love the look that I have created in that video. So I can't wait to hear your response. So please do follow me on my Instagram. You will find more updates. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some lunch. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2:04. I'm so hungry. So yeah. So yes, this is the video that I have uploaded. I should upload the thumbnail, description and title also. I'll upload those 3 from YouTube Studio app from my phone itself. So that's the scene here. I have scheduled this up on March 21st, 2020. So yes, I think my hair is looking pretty good now. So I filmed one YouTube video, one brand video also. So I'm excited for all these holidays. I feel because ఎందుకంటే I was shooting regularly. Yesterday shoot చేసా, ఇవాళ షూట్ చేసా, టిక్టాక్ చేసా, మొత్తం టిక్టాక్కి, బ్రాండ్కి, యూట్యూబ్కి షూట్ చేశాను. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ అండ్ వెల్. కేఫ్కి వెళ్ళాను, అంటే గమ్మున వచ్చేసాను, ఎక్కువ ఏం కూర్చోలేదు. అండ్ అక్కడ కూడా మనకి హ్యాండ్ వాషెస్ అనేవి ప్రొవైడ్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి okay, I feel. But yeah, you should take precautions though. You can't just leave it. But it's like I'm craving about cappuccino, lava cake and all. So yeah, I think lava cake ledu, I didn't eat that because it's not available. So yeah, it's 10:30 right now. I completed my dinner, so I don't have pretty much to do until my laptop is getting charged. I should transfer these files and then I will watch any movie in Amazon Prime. That's it. I'll mention what movie it is in my next vlog. Nenu malli I'll do shoot vlogs. So kabatti aa vlog lo mention chestanu, adi nenu telugulo chestanu, so that Telugu people kuda chudaniki untundi. So yes, I'm so happy. I'm so happy because it's a productive day again. So మళ్ళీ మిమ్మల్ని ఇంకో వ్లాగ్తో కలుస్తాను. సీ యూ నెక్స్ట్ టైం. టిల్ దెన్ టేక్ కేర్.